everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Bites by KONICA ARORA. Today's video is very interesting. It's on how can you create a perfect nude for yourself. Everybody wants to know my favorite nude colors. Everybody wants to know what are the latest trending nude colors in the market. But the nude color that goes on me may not go on you. So I'm going to tell you a trick in which you can make a nude color yourself that suits your complexion. It's very easy, very simple, and you can make your nude color with what you have in your house. So if you are interested in watching this trick, keep on watching. I'm going to tell you a simple trick by which you can create your perfect nude color. You all have your favorite lip colors at home. Any color that you think suits you the best, you can change that color into a perfect nude. It can be a brownie nude, it can be a peachy nude, it can be a pinky nude, it can be a mauvey nude, any nude. But yes, it is going to go well with your complexion. I'm going to create a nude color which suits my complexion today. I'm going to use this MAC lip pencil. I love this lip pencil. I'm going to apply this lip pencil all over my lips. The lip pencil that I'm using today is in the shade Spice. It's a beautiful color from MAC. I also love Soar from MAC. Even this is a beautiful mauvey sort of color. And if I want a pinky nude, I can change this into a pink nude. And if I want a brownie nude, then I'm going to change this one into that nude. Before applying the lip pencil, your lips are properly moisturized. So apply a nice lip balm. What I applied before this was the Huda Beauty Silk Balm, and my lips look quite moisturized now. Why do I do that? Because then the lip pencil glides really well. If you're not using a pencil, you're using any lipstick, then that goes well. You don't need a lip balm for that. Now, if I want to change this color into a more nudish color, what I'm going to do is, all of you have concealers at home, right? The concealer, I am not talking about the highlighting shade. I'm talking about the concealer shade, which is always darker. The highlighter shade is always lighter than your skin tone, but the concealer color is always your skin tone or probably a shade darker than your skin tone. So the concealer that I'm going to use today for myself is medium tan golden. It's a nice color. It's from Tarte, and I'm going to take just a drop of this concealer, and I'm going to use this lip brush. Apply concealer on the brush. That my shade went on so light. If I want it to be more lighter than this, I'm going to take the concealer again and apply one more coat. But I'm sure that this sort of a nude lip shade will always look great on me because I have created it with one of my best lip colors, and I know that I can go as lighter as I want and stop wherever I want. But always remember, don't create a nude lip color with your highlighter shade. Means a very light concealer color, because then you're going to go very much lighter than your skin tone. And any nude lip color which is lighter than your skin tone will not look great on you. You will look washed off. So always create a color which is a little darker than your color, but yes, it does come in the nudes family. So nudes are not always nudes in browns. Nudes are there in pinks, mauves, peach, whatever nude. So create your nude lip color and flaunt it pretty well. And if somebody asks you, what shade are you wearing? Just tell them, I created it in my own lab. So I hope you enjoyed today's tip, and if you want to learn more of such tips and tricks, then keep on watching. My next video will be up Wednesday. I love you all. But before saying that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't ring the notification bell, please ring it so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. I love you all. Stay blessed and keep watching.